Hi everyone! Today let's crochet this ice cream stitch with me. This stitch will create great looks for your work on both right side and wrong side. You will find out in the end. For now, grab your yarn and hook and let's start. We will need to make a multiple of 4 chains. I have made 24 chains as a swatch. I will put the pattern on screen so you can easily follow. I will explain why crocheting. Row 1, chain 3, yarn over, insert hook to the 5th chain from hook. You're gonna make 3 double crochets in that 5th chain from hook. Skip the next 3 chains, then 3 double crochet in the next one. Continue to follow that pattern until there is 2 chains left. Skip one and then make a double crochet to that last one. It's easy, right? That's the end of row 1 and this is how it looks like. Row 2, chain 1 and then turn your work. Make 2 single crochet, one to the last double crochet of the previous row and the other to the first double crochet of this 3 double crochet set. Now we are gonna insert the hook like this, pushing the post of the middle double crochet to the front. It is called front post, and we're gonna make a cluster stitch of 5 half double crochet that way. Single crochet to each of the next 2 stitches. Yarn over and make another cluster stitch of 5 half double crochet. Remember to insert your hook front post. End this second row with 2 single crochet, one to the last double crochet of this last 3 double crochet set and the other to the top chain of the chain 3 at the beginning. In the next row, I will change to a new color. It will be easier for you to see how the pattern develops. Make 3 chains and turn. This chain 3 is counted as a double crochet, so make a double crochet to the next stitch. Make 3 double crochet to each of these big spaces created from row 1. Finally, end the row with 2 double crochet. Row 4. Chain 1 and turn your work. Make 3 single crochet. 2 to the 2 double crochet you have made at the end of the previous row, and the other one to the first double crochet of this 3 double crochet set. Then make a cluster stitch of 5 front post half double crochet to the middle double crochet. Now repeat, making 2 single crochet and 1 cluster stitch towards the end of the row. Row 4 will end with 3 single crochet. Row 5 basically is gonna be a repeat from row 1. Chain 3 and turn. Make 3 double crochet to a space created from row 3. Repeat. Then end the row with a single crochet. The next 3 rows from 6 to 8 will be the same as row 2 to 4. And then you can repeat row 5 to 8 as much as you want until reaching a desired length. After a few rows, you will see the stitches on one side looks just like chains of mini ice cream, and on the other side, it looks gorgeous like this. Will you try this stitch? Comment what you would crochet from this. I really want to know. Hit like if you love this video and subscribe to my channel for more free crochet tutorial. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting!